In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder on Windows 11. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a folder available to other people on your local network with the right level of access for safety and convenience. First, open File Explorer and locate the folder you want to share. This could be anywhere on your computer, your documents, desktop, or another drive. Take a quick moment to confirm the contents are what you actually want to make available to others. It's a good habit to keep personal or sensitive files in a separate, non-shared location. Next, right-click that folder and choose Properties. This opens a window with several tabs that control how the folder behaves. We'll focus on the Sharing tab, which is designed specifically for allowing network access. Click the Sharing tab at the top of the Properties window. Here, you'll see options that relate to making the folder available to other users on the same network. To start the setup, click the Share button. This brings up the Network Access window, where you decide who should have access. In the Network Access window, choose specific people from the list if you want to limit access to certain user accounts, or select Everyone if you want anyone on your local network to be able to see the folder. Choosing Everyone is the simplest route in shared home or small office environments, but be mindful that it grants access broadly on your network. If you need tighter control, pick only the users you trust. After selecting the people or everyone, click Add. Now set the permission level for each entry. You'll see options like Read and Read/Write. Read means others can open and view files but can't change or delete anything, which is safer for most shared folders. Read/Write allows others to add, modify, and delete files. Choose Read/Write only when you truly need collaborators to edit or manage the folder's contents. When your selections look right, click Share to confirm. Windows will apply the settings and display a network path, something like a double backslash path followed by your computer name and folder name, that others can use to access the folder from their devices on the same network. Keep that path handy if you plan to tell someone where to find the shared content. That's it. Your folder is now shared with the people and permissions you set. If you ever want to change who has access or adjust permissions, just return to the folder's properties and revisit the Sharing tab. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing on Windows 11.